Hi there, today we're going to check out these two great DEWALT cordless drill driver combo kits. Now this kit is a 20 volt kit. It includes this impact driver, this 2-speed hammer drill, a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour 20 volt lithium ion battery, a charger, and this durable contractor's bag. And this kit includes the same impact drill but with a 3-speed hammer drill, 2 4 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag. So what's the difference? Well, all 4 tools have brushless motors, and both kits include this impact driver that delivers up to 3,800 impacts per minute at 3,250 RPMs. This 3-speed transmission allows you to do precision driving like driving a screw, normal driving like lug nuts on a tire, and heavy driving like driving a lag. The grip fits easily in your hand, and there's easy fingering between the forward and reverse control. The quick change chuck makes changing out bits quick and easy. There's 3 LED work lights so that you can see even in the dark. It's compact and has this handy belt clip. Now this kit includes this 2-speed hammer drill, speed number 1 for driving screws and lags, number 2 for drilling up to 2,000 RPMs. There's 14 clutch settings, a drill setting, and the hammer setting delivers 34,000 blows per minute. The all-metal ratcheting chuck makes changing bits super easy and holds them securely. The LED work light has 3 modes. There's low intensity, there's high intensity, and the third mode gives you a continuous work light for 20 minutes. Now this is a professional grade kit. It's suitable for pros or DIYers, but if you're looking for a drill that gives you a little bit more muscle, I recommend you check out this kit. It's got the same features as the other, but gives you additional power. The main differences are this 3-speed motor, which gives you a broader range of up to 2,250 RPMs with nearly 80% more torque. There are 11 clutch settings for driving, a drill setting, and a hammer setting, and the hammer setting delivers 4,250 more blows per minute. This kit also includes a 360-degree side angle for heavy torque work. So if you plan on doing heavy tasks like drilling through steel, I recommend this kit. Lowe's is proud to carry professional-grade DEWALT tools. If you have any questions at all, just ask the red vests in the tool department at your Lowe's. They'd be delighted to show you our complete line.